Hi folks, hope you're okay. Today we're looking at no evidence for evolution, and we're looking at a scientist called Ridley who talks about the genome. He says the genome is a very clever book because in the right conditions it can both photocopy itself and read itself. The photocopying is known as replication and the reading is translation. Replication works because of an ingenious property of the four bases. A likes to pair with TG with C, so a single strand of DNA can copy itself by assembling a complementary strand with T opposite all the A's, A's opposite all the T's, C's opposite all the G's, G's opposite all the C's. In fact, the usual state of DNA is the famous double helix of the original strand in its complementary pair entwined. To make a copy of the complementary strand therefore brings back the original text. So the sequencing of ACGT becomes TGCA in the copy, which transcribes back to ACGT in the copy of the copy. This enables DNA to replicate indefinitely yet still contain the same information. Translation is a little more complicated. First, the next text of a gene is transcribed into a copy by the same base pairing process, but this time the copy is made not of DNA but RNA, a very slightly different chemical. This RNA copy, called the messenger RNA, is then edited. The messenger is then befriended by a microscopic machine called ribosome, itself made partly of RNA. The ribosome moves along the messenger, translating each three-letter codon in turn into one letter of a different alphabet, an alphabet of 20 different amino acids, each brought by a different version of a molecule called transfer RNA. Each amino acid is attached to the last to form a chain in the same order as the codons. When the whole message has been translated, the chain of amino acids folds itself up into a distinctive shape that depends on its sequence. It is known as protein. Almost everything in the body, from hair to hormones, is either made of proteins or made by them. Every protein is translated gene. So that's the genome, okay? And all I've got to say, my dear friends, is imagine you've got 5 computers, okay, and they're at different locations of your families, different people in your family, different houses, and we put a DVD or a CD-ROM into your computer, and then we copy it, and then we go off to another computer and put that information, and then they add something or take something away, and then we go to another computer, and then we're able to finish whatever project that we've done, and we've used 5 computers. You know, I mean, this genome is more complex, and we're saying that this has happened by chance, or we're saying that this has happened by random mutation and natural selection. It's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. This technology is beyond chance, okay? And the atheists are going to say, no, evolution is not chance. You don't understand evolution. Evolution is a process. No, evolution is a chance. It started with chance at the beginning of time. Chance, right? And chance produced the genome, and it doesn't add up. I'm sorry. The intelligence in the genome is so complex, the information, that it could only have come from a mind. Thank you.